How to remove Temu's minimum purchase limit. Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started. First and foremost, you need to open your application. Once you have opened it, navigate to your account section. It is essential to ensure that you are logged into your account properly. After confirming that you are logged in, look towards the top right corner of the screen for an icon that resembles a headphone. You need to click on the icon. Doing this will bring you to a new menu. From there, look for the option that says Contact Us and select it. This section is where you can reach out for assistance. Now in the message box, type in your request to remove the minimum purchase limit. Alternatively, you can also phrase it as a request to remove the order limits. This step is crucial because it communicates your intention clearly to the support team. Once you submit your request, you should see that you are enabled to shop for any of the products you love without encountering any shopping amount restrictions. This means you can enjoy a seamless shopping experience where the minimum purchase requirements do not hold you back. So this really is the only way to successfully remove the minimum purchase limit on your account. If you found this video helpful and informative, please take a moment to like it and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. We appreciate your support and we look forward to seeing you in the next video.